I bought it off of eBay. Tractor originally came from Olathe, Kansas, and it was stuck bad. I had a jack underneath the crankshaft for 2 years and didn't break it loose, so we had to knock the pistons out, or the sleeves out with the pistons, and put it in a press and press them apart. And right now it's one of my best running tractors. Well, you just take your time and do some painting and put a little more together, a little more painting, and pretty soon it's done. Well, it's an Oliver 80 row crop, and it could be used for cultivating and any general farm work. Well, yeah, I knew I had an engine that was pretty tight. The rest of it I had no idea, but everything else was in great shape. The lower part of the engine, when I dropped the pan, it looked brand new. I mean, it was everything except the pistons and sleeves were in great shape. That's a Moline Model TK tumble plow, and what it does is it's a two-way plow, and when you get to the end of the field, you pull the rope, the whole plow just tumbles forwards. So now instead of plowing to the left, you plow to the right. You start at one side of the field, work all the way across, and you have no dead furrows. Basically a parade here and there, and sit out here for show and drive it around. That's about it. Very smooth running for a fourth. Well, some of them don't run real smooth. This one here is just like I said, just basically a very smooth running engine. I guess about the best thing I can say is compliments. I said about a good year once I got the engine apart and everything new. There are different sleeves and pistons put back in it, and it took me about a year. Not long. I just got some flat stock and I jacked the tractor up, roll the wheel as far as I could, set the brake and set it down, and that would bend it around the bottom of the wheel, and jack it up, give it another turn, and until I had it all the way around. Then I just got some lug like for a retread and bolted it on.